Yeah.
Okay. I'm Kristen Druids, and this is my sister Jenna. She's going to be performing the deadlift for us today. So my chosen movement was the deadlift, and we're going to talk about the 5 kinematic variables, which are distance, displacement, velocity, acceleration, and time. So in this, the feet are going to be shoulder width apart, parallel, and the weight is going to be shifted in a backward position, and the elbows are going to be locked, and shoulders are going to be forward in the beginning, and then they're going to end up in the back towards the end of it. And the time that we had did before, it took her about 3.1 seconds to start it and to finish it. And then all the movements, the knees, hips, ankle, and spine, are all going to be in the sagittal plane. The knees and hips are going to be in extension with the ankles in plantar flexion, with the back and the spine in a neutral position. So talking about displacement, the bar will be about 8.75 inches from the ground. At the end, it will be at about 28.5 inches. So when she goes down, it'll be 8.75, and at the end, 28.5. So after the calculations, it was 0.50165 meters. The velocity was 0.1618 meters per second in a vertical direction, and the acceleration was 0.05219 meters. All right, so the standard pulling position is where the bar travels up the legs in a vertical line over the middle of the foot. The shoulders are going to stay forward of the bar until the top, where they're going to end up towards the back. The aim of the combined human and loaded bar mass is to remain within the base of support, which are going to be the feet. The feet are going to be the main part to stabilize the whole motion. This is why the bar begins as close to the tibia and fibula as possible, and the bar must be close to the body the entire time. This is a third class lever. The fulcrum is located at the hips, the effort and thigh muscles and resistance is loaded throughout the body. Okay, so the third level permits a muscle to be inserted very close to the joint across which movement occurs, which allows rapid extensive movements with relatively little shortening of the muscle. This is why the muscles that are involved in third class levels tend to be thicker and more powerful, which is a really big muscle, a really big exercise in deadlift. So go ahead and show them. And there you go. So this muscle, or this exercise mainly works the hamstrings, the glutes, the back, but it's really good for resistance throughout the whole entire body. And that's it. You can stop it.